What's up, guys? Day 1444 today. Look, there was so much snow yesterday. Central Park is like, oh what right now? It's so beautiful. That's crazy. But I have to be honest, snow is not my favorite thing. Because it's beautiful now, it's gonna be so messy later. So I see. Wow, it's crazy. I mean, it was like that last year, but wow, that's beautiful. Be careful here, so icy. So we are a little over a mile right now, and I left home and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go for like a 5K short run. But now that I'm out here, I'm like, I don't know, Central Park is so scenic now, so like beautiful, and why not like just go a little longer and enjoy more. I'm like, I know I'm tired. Had some drinks last night, celebrating my birthday, but did not sleep well. But being outside and running kind of makes me feel so good that I just want to, you know, stay out longer and run longer. So I think I'm gonna go for a loop, 7 mile, instead of the 3 mile that I had planned in my mind. Two miles in, and I'm just like, I think the runner's high hit me before I hit 2 miles, that I'm like, I could just run a marathon today. It seems like the perfect day for a long run, even that I had my long run yesterday, so just feel like I could run forever. Mile 3, and I broke my camera tripod, so kind of made me upset and changed my mood a little bit, but that's alright. Running. Alright. Be careful. Oh wow. Oh wow. Mile 5, 9:45. Just keeping very easy. We're running like a 9:35 average pace. The sun just came out to make things even more beautiful now. miles to go. A little over 6 miles now. We got a shortcut and we go around Howland Mere. So beautiful. Hey, buddy. Oh, I had to come here, guys, to see the Harlem frozen. It's frozen today. One more day. We are about to finish our run, and today was a 1,444. See you guys next time.